For my next example, we have negative 36 x cubed y to the 5th divided by 6x to the 7th power y to the negative 10. The first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of any negative exponents by simplifying that first. So whenever I have a negative exponent in the denominator, it gets moved to the numerator. If the negative was in the numerator, it would be moved to the denominator. So let's go ahead and simplify that part first. So I have negative 36 x cubed y to the 5th y to the 10th divided by or over 6x to the 7th. Now on the top, in the numerator, I see that I have y to the 5th and y to the 10th. My property of exponents for multiplication says I can combine these by adding the exponents. So this gives us negative 36 x to the 3rd y to the 5 plus 10, which is 15, over 6x to the 7th power. Next, negative 36 divided by 6. That's just negative 6. And now I have x to the 3rd, y to the 15, over x to the 7. Now my property of exponents tell me that I'm supposed to subtract. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 minus 7. This gives me negative 6 x to the 3 minus 7, which is negative 4, y to the 15. I have a negative exponent, so in order for it to be completely simplified, we shouldn't have any negative exponents. So my final answer, since this is negative, it's considered to be in the numerator. This is understood to be over 1. So that means since it's negative and in the numerator, I will move it to the denominator, giving me my final answer, which is negative 6 y to the 15 over x to the 4. So the answer for negative 36 x cubed y to the 5th over 6x to the 7th y to the negative 10th is negative 6y to the 15 over x to the 4th.